beach on out.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Looks nice.
Yep.
And there's our ship out there.
Yeah. All the surfers out there, look.
Yeah.
Do we want to walk out further?
Yeah, we can.
We don't how rocky it is over here. To get on the beach, you have to go down there and go out. Okay.
The old Lahaina fort. Made out of coral blocks.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
You know how much those fronts were?
No.
$64.
Holy camole. Old Lahaina.
God, isn't it beautiful? Just like I remember. Chatting. No, that's all right. Okay.
Okay, here's a new one.
I don't see that loosely. You don't cut in. It was you had to go upstairs.
It might be right down here. I believe it's right down here. Because there's a cheeseburger in paradise.
Okay, yeah, it might be on down service. It's right.
Oh, okay.
I don't think so.
Yeah, there's our cruise ship.
Well, maybe it's not open. Oh, there's people in there, so maybe it's just not open yet. It's probably only open till for lunch.
Well, it is lunchtime, isn't it?
I doubt it.
I bet it's 11 o'clock, wouldn't you? We'll find a time somewhere. They even took up his shoes. Wow. The bench is still there, but no shoes or suitcase.
Nope.
Closed up, Bubba Gump.
That's too bad.
Yeah, that was good eating.
We just got to kill and eat shrimp every time. Why do I got a Maui mahi once?
Yeah. Molokai, Lanai.
Down this way and over.
Yeah.
Too bad we can't have a bush like this at home, huh?
Yeah.
We would die every
Appreciate
year.
this. My name's Gary, by the way.
Oh,
I'm
Gary.
Tim.
We run across each other.
Tim.
And mine's Emily.
Okay,
And
and you're
Tim.
headed for the shopping center.
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed the...
Because in the Cannery Mall, sometimes they have like kikis, which is the small children, and they do the Hawaiian dances.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we.
The outlet mall. Quite a bit of the stores are gone there, too.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Too far.
Too far. I've done a hop on, hop off in a lot of places around the world. And this was nice for historical facts. Maybe look around it.
Yeah, there it is. Starbucks.
Starbucks. It's a fun color. Oh, right there.
Okay. And
the
here we
right there,
are.
so it's down there.
Yeah.
Okay, well, shop in the shops a little bit.
All right,
so we can
Gary.
Get it on the way back.
And I've seen you.
guys
Take care.
Either before or on the ship.
All right. All right. Yeah, about half a mile from Lanai, Lahaina. No more Bubba Gump. No more Bubba Gump.
Was a Japanese fish market at one time.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
I didn't either. I don't remember ever seeing the sign.
Bubba Gump, where you at? Looks like the roof of Bubba Gump fell in. Huh. Maybe they couldn't keep it up. Yeah.
Yeah, I was down here last time.
Yeah.
Shells down here that last time.
We're gonna walk down the school for the park.
All right. Oh, Lahaina.